Monterrey, Mexico offers a captivating blend of past, present, and natural wonders. Your adventure starts at Macro Plaza, one of the world's biggest city square, where statues, water features, and the eye-catching Frau del Comercio create a lively city center. A quick walk takes you to Fundidora Park, which turns an old steel plant into a spot for fun and arts with playgrounds, sport venue, and Sesame Street Park for kids. A peaceful boat trip on Paseo Santa Lucía gives you a fresh look at the city as you float by wall paintings, water jets, and famous sites. Nature lovers can head out to Garcia Caves and the beautiful Horsetail Falls or climb Chipinque Hill for sweeping city views. Cerro del Obispado combines history with stunning scenery, while the old Barrio Antiguo shows off colonial buildings, buzzing coffee shops, and art spaces. To top it off, La Estanzuela Natural Park has green trails, chances to see wildlife, and quiet spots to take in the views, rounding out your tour of Monterrey City and nature gems. Let's get started. Number 8. A walk through Monterrey's Macro Plaza, Mexico's Grand City Square. Taking a stroll through Monterrey's Macro Plaza lets you dive into the lively core of northern Mexico. This sprawling city square covers 99 acres, making it one of the world's biggest, packed with history, art, and the daily buzz of local life. As you wander its broad green areas and busy paths, you'll come across monuments, fountains, and cultural spots that paint a picture of Monterrey's past and present. The Faro del Comercio stands tall in the middle, an eye-catching orange monument that shoots a green laser beam into the night sky, a true symbol of the city. Around the plaza, you'll spot the stunning Metropolitan Cathedral, the Government Palace, and museums that showcase the area's deep-rooted heritage. Street artists, sailors, and families bring energy to every nook, creating an atmosphere that's both exciting and inviting. The Macro Plaza gives you a chance to have an experience you won't forget right in the heart of Monterrey, Mexico, whether you want to discover new things, take it easy, or snap some great photos. Number 7. Fundidora Park. A trip to Monterrey remains incomplete if you don't check out Fundidora Park, one of the city's most thrilling and varied attractions. You'll find this huge urban park at the end of Santa Lucia Riverwalk on the grounds of an old steel foundry that's now a hub for culture and fun. After you're done looking around, you can take a peaceful boat ride back to the Macro Plaza. Fundidora Park has activities to suit all tastes. Kids and parents can have a blast at playgrounds, a sport complex with an ice rink, a man-made lake, and even Sesame Street Park, a bright theme park based on the popular TV show. The park also houses the interesting Steel Museum, which tells visitors about Monterrey's industrial past, and the Conarte Art Center, where new ideas come to life. Close by, Parque Zoológica La Pastora and Parque Loro Ventura offer more excitement with animal displays, dinosaur exhibits, and exciting rides. Fundidora Park brings together history, nature, and entertainment right in Monterrey's center. Number 6. Boat tour on Paseo Santa Lucía, Monterrey's scenic waterway adventure. A boat tour along Paseo Santa Lucía in Monterrey is one of the city's most relaxing and scenic experiences. Stretching nearly 2.5 kilometers, this man-made canal connects the Macro Plaza to Fundidora Park, offering a unique way to explore Monterrey's modern beauty and cultural charm. As the boat glides through turquoise waters, you'll pass under picturesque bridges, past colorful murals, and alongside tree-lined walkways filled with sculptures and fountains. Along the journey, you'll spot major landmarks like the Museum of Mexican History and the stunning Santa Lucia fountains that light up beautifully at night. The gentle pace of the ride lets you soak in the views while learning about Monterrey's transformation into one of Mexico's most dynamic cities. Whether you visit by day for clear views of the surrounding mountains or at sunset for a romantic atmosphere, the Paseo Santa Lucía boat tour is a must-do experience that captures the heart and spirit of Monterrey. Number 5. The Garcia Caves and Horsetail Falls. A short drive northeast of Monterrey leads to the charming town of Garcia, home to one of Mexico's most incredible natural wonders, the Garcia Caves or Grutas de Garcia. This vast cave system, nestled partway up to 1,080-meter tall El Fraile Mountain in Cumbres de Monterrey National Park, offers an unforgettable escape from the city. The adventure begins with a scenic cable car ride that soars over rugged cliffs and desert landscapes, revealing breathtaking views before reaching the cave entrance. Inside, two walking paths guide visitors through brightly lit caverns formed more than 50 million years ago. Stalactites, stalagmites, and shimmering rock formations fill each chamber, creating a surreal underground world. One highlight is the light chamber El Salón de la Luz, where the ceiling's translucent glow adds a magical touch to the experience. After exploring the caves, travelers can continue their adventure with a visit to the stunning Horsetail waterfalls or Cola de Caballo just southwest of Monterrey, a perfect ending to a day of natural discovery. Number 4. The Obispado and the Regional Museum. High above Monterrey, on the hill known as Cerro del Obispado, stands one of the city's most iconic landmarks, the Bishop's Palace or Palacio del Obispado. Built in the late 18th century, this grand structure has witnessed centuries of history, serving as a fortress, a hospital, and even a stronghold for the legendary revolutionary Pancho Villa in 1913. Its thick stone walls and elegant colonial design make it a striking reminder of Monterrey's past. Today, the palace houses the Regional Museum of Nuevo León, where visitors can explore fascinating exhibits about the state's cultural and economic history. Inside, the beautifully detailed chapel with its ornate Turingesque facade stands out as a masterpiece of colonial architecture. Beyond its history, Cerro del Obispado offers one of the best panoramic views of Monterrey. Families and travelers alike enjoy its scenic walking trails, peaceful gardens, and the impressive Mirador del Obispado monument, a perfect spot to take in the city's skyline. Number 3. Hiking Chipinque Hill, Monterrey's scenic mountain adventure. Chipinque Hill is one of Monterrey's most beloved natural escapes, offering a refreshing break from the city below. Nestled in the Sierra Madre Oriental, this scenic mountain is part of the Parque Nacional Cumbres de Monterrey, making it a heaven for hikers, nature lovers, and photographers alike. The trails here vary in difficulty, from gentle paths perfect for beginners to challenging climbs for seasoned hikers, ensuring there's something for everyone. As you ascend, the lush pine and oak forests provide shades and peaceful soundtrack of birdsong, while the fresh mountain air invigorates the senses. Panoramic views of Monterrey unfold gradually, giving you a glimpse of the sprawling city surrounded by dramatic peaks. Along the way, lookout points invite a pause to take in the breathtaking scenery, snap photos, or enjoy a quiet moment of reflection. Whether hiking solo with friends or as a family adventure, Chipinque Hill offers an unforgettable outdoor experience that showcases Monterrey's natural beauty and tranquility, making it a must-visit destination for any traveler. Number 2. Exploring Barrio Antiguo. Once the heart of Old Monterrey, Barrio Antiguo has undergone an incredible transformation and is now one of the city's most fascinating neighborhoods to explore. Just a short walk from the Macro Plaza, this historic Spanish quarter is a vibrant mix of old and new, where colonial charm meets modern creativity. Once considered a rough part of town, Barrio Antiguo has been rejuvenated with restoration projects that highlight its 18th and 19th century architecture, colorful facades, and narrow cobblestone streets. Today, many of those streets are pedestrian-only, creating a relaxed atmosphere perfect for strolling, shopping, and sightseeing. The area is now filled with boutique stores, cozy cafes, lively restaurants, and unique art galleries that give it a distinctly bohemian vibe. Street murals and local music performances add even more energy to the scene. Whether you're here for culture, history, or nightlife, Barrio Antiguo offers a glimpse into Monterrey's past, and its exciting, ever-evolving present. Number 1. La Estanzuela Natural Park Adventure. Trials, wildlife, and scenic views. La Estanzuela Natural Park in Monterrey offers a refreshing escape from the city with trails, wildlife, and stunning natural scenery that make it a must-visit for nature lovers. Spanning lush forests and open green spaces, the park features a variety of trails suitable for all levels, from casual walks to more challenging hikes. Along the paths, visitors can spot native plants, birds, and even small mammals, making it an excellent spot for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers. Families will enjoy picnic areas, playgrounds, and shaded spots perfect for relaxing and taking in the surroundings. Scenic viewpoints throughout the park provide breathtaking panoramas of Monterrey and the surrounding mountains, ideal for capturing memorable photos. For those interested in outdoor activities, jogging, cycling, and nature walks are popular options, offering both exercise and a peaceful connection with nature. La Estanzuela Natural Park blends adventure, relaxation, and ecological beauty, making it an unforgettable part of any Monterrey exploration.